Okay, who is this? This is the grandpa. Who is this? Good. And who is this? Dad. Who is this? Good. Who is this? This is an uncle. Good. And this? Aunt. Good. Very good. This is the cousin. Okay, so show me. Where is grandpa? Good. Where is the baby? Where is the sister? Where is the uncle? Where's the uncle? Yeah? Yeah? The uncle? Good. Okay. Show me where the yellow kite is. The yellow kite. Yeah? This is the yellow kite. Okay? What is this? Good. What colour is the apple? Green. Good. What is this? Good. What colour is the ball? This is a red ball. What is this? Good, it's a triangle. What colour is the triangle? This is a blue. Good, this is a blue triangle. Good. Okay, show me where the yellow kites are. Where are the yellow kites? Where? Where are they? Show me. Show me. Show me on the board. Show me. Show me. Where? Where? Where are the kites? Stand up, stand up. Show me. Where are the kites? Where? Yeah, there are 4 yellow kites, okay? Where are the bicycles? Where? Where are they? Show me. Yes, there are 3 bicycles. Okay, where are the boats? That's how many boats are there? I'm asking you where the boats are. Where? Okay. Right. What is this? This is a computer. Good. What are these? These are scissors, very good. And what are these?
Table.
These are tables. There's 3, yeah? These are tables, good. What is this? This is a backpack. This is a backpack, good. Okay. What is this? This is a bathroom. Good. What is this? This is a dining room. Very good. And this? This is a living room. Good. This? Good. Where is Grandpa? Where is Grandpa? Where? Is in. Good. Grandpa is in the bedroom. Okay. Where is Grandma?
Kitchen.
Grandma's in the kitchen. Good. And where is the baby? Where is the baby? The baby is in the bathroom. Good, good. Okay, finished.